Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest and in-depth beauty product reviews. If you're tired of spending too much time trying to perfect your curls, this product might just be the game changer you need. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Beachwaver Co. Beachwaver S.75 Rotating Curling Iron in the Pink Catwalk edition, designed to make styling faster and easier, all while looking fabulous. This tool is specifically crafted for those who want effortless curls without the traditional twist and roll method. With its 0.75-inch ceramic barrel and rotating mechanism, it promises professional-level curls even for beginners. Its sleek pink design is not just pretty to look at, but also features some highly functional details like a home button, auto shutoff for safety, and dual voltage, making it travel-friendly. Ceramic technology is the star ingredient here. It's well known for producing even heat distribution, which helps avoid hot spots that could damage your hair. Ceramic barrels also lock in moisture, leaving you with shiny, smooth curls instead of frizz. And with the rotating feature, this tool pretty much does all the work for you, saving you time and ensuring your curls are consistently styled. Now, let's talk about how this curling iron actually feels in action. Personally, I found it incredibly easy to use. The rotating barrel made styling effortless. No need to twist the iron manually, which cuts down on time spent curling. The ergonomic design also felt comfortable in my hand, and the pink color definitely adds a fun, stylish touch. I noticed the ceramic barrel heats up quickly, and in a few minutes, my hair was already styled with voluminous, bouncy curls. One of the things I particularly appreciated was the auto shutoff feature, which adds an extra layer of safety. I'm sure we've all had that moment where we can't remember if we turned off our styling tools, and this is a huge peace of mind for anyone who's always on the go. That said, the size of the barrel might be a bit too small if you're looking for looser waves. The 0.75-inch diameter is perfect for tighter curls, but if you're after that more relaxed, beachy wave look, you might want to consider a larger barrel size. However, if defined curls are your goal, this one nails it. As for value, the Beachwaver S.75 does come with a premium price tag, but when you look at the convenience it offers, the rotating function, the ceramic barrel, and the sleek design, it's definitely worth it if you're looking for a high-quality, time-saving tool. Plus, the dual voltage and travel-friendly design make it a great investment for anyone who frequently takes their styling tools on the go. In terms of comparisons, I've used several other rotating curling irons, but none quite match the precision and ease of use of the Beachwaver S.75. Some alternatives may offer a lower price point, but you're definitely sacrificing the same high-end quality and user-friendly design. When it comes to build quality, this curling iron feels sturdy and reliable. It's made with durable materials and is built to last. Whether you're at home or traveling, this tool will hold up to regular use. If you're looking for something similar, but more affordable, there are a few options out there with rotating barrels, but none with the same attention to detail. If you're really on a budget, you could look for a rotating iron that doesn't offer the premium ceramic technology, but do keep in mind that the results and longevity may not be as consistent. In the end, the Beachwaver S.75 rotating curling iron lives up to its claims. It's easy to use, gives you beautiful curls with minimal effort, and has built-in features for your safety and convenience. While it's definitely a bit of an investment, I think it's a solid choice for anyone serious about their hairstyling routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out,